Are you looking for an affordable website hosting solution that is optimized to host complex website and applications at lightning-fast speed? If your answer is yes, then you have come to the right place. My name is Bimber Williams, from Lagos, Nigeria. It will be my pleasure to show you how to host your e-commerce website with our high-performance e-commerce hosting. Before we start, please note that you can always expand and watch this video in full screen by clicking on the full screen icon below. Let's get down to the business of today. To begin hosting your website with us, first, visit our website. Hover your mouse on hosting and then select e-commerce hosting. Our e-commerce hosting plan is specially crafted to withstand reasonable amount of pressure due to high volume of traffic on your website. The current cost is just 30,000 Naira yearly. Click on the purchase plan to continue. If you already have a domain name, and you want to transfer it to us, please select this. If you already have a domain name, and only want to point it to our server, please select this, and then point your domain to this. If your domain name has never been registered before, and you intend to register a new domain for your new website, please select this. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will assume that your domain name has not been registered, and then I will go ahead and show you how to register a domain name for your e-commerce website. Please be very creative when choosing a domain name for your website. For instance, if your name is Juliet, and you want to register a domain name for your boutique business, you can choose names such as julieboutique.com, juliedesigns.com.ng, myboutique.ng, etc. Let's get started. Enter your domain name in the search box. Example: julieboutique.com. Select domain extension. Click on Continue to search this domain. Oh my God! This domain is not available. The domain has been registered by someone else. We need to look for another domain name for you. Before we search for another domain name for your boutique website, you need to scroll down to see if you will like to use any one of the domains suggested by our system. Let's assume that we do not like any of the domains suggested by our system. We will continue to search until we find our perfect domain name. Let's try another domain. myboutique.ng. Now let's search. Yes, myboutique.ng is available for us to register. To proceed, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Continue. Please continue. It is recommended to select DNS management and email forwarding. Please continue. Before we continue, we need to check all the items in our cart to make sure that we have not selected more items than we need. Click on the Checkout button to continue. Fill out the form properly. Enter your name, email address and other required information. Choose a strong password for your hosting account. Make the password very hard for hackers to be able to guess. How do you want to pay for your website hosting? Do you prefer bank payment or transfer? Or you would want to pay online using your ATM debit card? If you select online payment, your hosting account will be set up automatically within seconds, but if you pay to the bank or transfer to our bank account, you will need to wait for our billing department to confirm your order. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to select online payment. To continue, you must agree to our terms and conditions of service. Click on Complete Order to continue. Check your invoice properly before clicking on the Pay Now button. Your payment will be processed via our payment partner, Paystack. Paystack is currently the safest and the most convenient online payment gateway, used by thousands of businesses and service providers in Nigeria. To make payment, enter the 16 digits number in front of your ATM card. Next, enter the card expiration date found in front of the card. And lastly, enter the 3 digits CVV code behind your card. Then, click on the Pay button to make payment. The page that you will see next, after clicking on the Pay button, will likely ask you to authorize the payment. The instruction that you will see will vary, depending on the bank that issued the card to you. Once the payment is received, your hosting account will automatically be configured, and then the login details will be sent to your registered email address. Apart from making payment with your ATM debit card, you can also choose one of the other options listed here. You can now be able to pay directly from your bank account. You can also be able to pay using the GTB Start 737 hash. Visa QR code is also available as a means of payment. If you encounter any error or problem when making payment online, please do not hesitate to contact us by sending an email to our billing department. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this tutorial. I hope you can now be able to purchase an e-commerce hosting plan by yourself. Please note that you can always contact us at any time, if you face any issue with your hosting account, or with any of our other services. I hope to see you again some other time. For now, goodbye and remain blessed.